Hello there, my name is James. Welcome to today's edition. Now, I'm very happy regarding what is currently happening in the crypto markets because I can see what how the market is gradually flipping, green. And talking about today, the 3rd of September, quite bullish about the how the market is gradually recovering from the fear and greed index, moving a bit into neutral ground from yesterday. I believe it was a bit somewhere between 35, 37. So today's like it's going up a bit, and we're seeing some positive and bullish momentum in the market. Of course, Bitcoin is a bit up, and then we're seeing also the RSI index. It's into the neutral zone. So we're still between not overbought, not oversold. And we're looking at also the altcoin index sitting at good 52. Okay, we said it dropped last week from what we really saw, and it was for us something we could always share about now. And also talking about still positive and on bnbtiger, still we're still working on it, and we see the way that bnbtiger has been rising gradually. It's gaining on momentum, though it dropped a bit. The entire crypto market is recovering. So is bnbtiger, and I'm very, very bullish on it. And honestly speaking, I'm really bullish on it. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about Shiba Inu, all-time high in focus. Like what we're looking at, all-time is in focus, and looking at what is going on recently in Shiba Inu. I just want to point out that to you because I believe we're about to see some major pump in Shiba Inu. In this sense, I'm going to try to give a time frame, though I don't take my word as a financial advice because I believe you should also do your own research. I'm doing my own research. I'm trying to invest in low project crypto like Shiba Inu, bnbtiger. Of course, there are high risks, but they are great reward. And I'm also taking my own risk, working my way up there to try to take these big risks. So I will advise you to also do your own research and just invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so Shiba Inu, we know that its all-time high was 0.008, and from where it is today, that is sitting at the 0.4012. It's almost 605x, to the exact. So that means Shiba Inu should be doing something about 600% from where it used to be before to come to that price number. So if that is in forecast, that means what are the bullish momentum right now behind Shiba Inu? Now, there are some other, some great news in Shiba Inu that I want you to quickly draw attention to. We know that Shiba Inu recently became the first meme coin to be listed on Fox Finance, enabling cross-chain DeFi lending and borrowing that is supported by Chainlink infrastructure. It's one of the great projects out there talking about real utility in this decentralized finance. And also talking about the technical momentum building in Shiba Inu. So from what we see today, Shiba Inu is sitting at that 0.0004012, that is 4012, and keeping that technical level, that crucial resistance level. So if you're about to witnessed a pump to the upside because it has sit there, it has endured this kind of dumping market and everything that has happened between the last 2-3 weeks. So Shiba Inu is on the verge of pumping. When it's going to, as soon as we break that level, that resistant level, the next line of target for Shiba Inu will be 0.0014 to like 0.0017. So if bullish momentum continue, I mean, like I said before, if all the market momentum stays in place, that means we can continue to see it growing from there on henceforth, and we can quickly drop 1-0 if that should be. Then for it to rise to that 0.308, I think we need to continue to see those bullish momentum in the market, and that is very, very realistic between now and the ending of October. So for me, ladies and gentlemen, you can begin to count you again, like 605x from now. So, and also it's going to be a kind of a re-estimation to understand that Shiba Inu is talking about to refocus its regional strategy. That means Shiba Inu's team is targeting expansion in Asia, including upcoming tours around South America, Japan, and mainland China. So this project is huge for Shiba Inu. I mean, at this point of this time, when the bull market is still, there, and we're going to see this kind of bullish momentum, this kind of follow-up between now and the ending of October, entering into November. So, and of course, I'm looking at this right now that the community, what we are looking at for Shiba Inu, we're also really bullish, huge community around the project. So this bull run, I've said it before, Shiba Inu has not even done anything. It has been silent. With this technical analysis around Shiba Inu, and people look at the chart right now telling you that, oh, this guy is just sitting below its all-time high. A lot of crypto have touched their all-time high, talking about big cryptos like XRP, like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Solana, but Shiba Inu is yet to touch its all-time high where it was before at 0.008. So I believe it's going to come to that point very quickly to get to its all-time high, and of course move from there upward, drop a zero, and still go ahead to be doing its thing. So ladies and gentlemen, I would want you not to give up on this project, because every now and then I always do I always do dollar cost average, okay? Dollar cost average anytime the market is going down. So I can accumulate. This is the only project that I can sit down and say, okay, I know I believe on the project, and I know it's going to go up one day, and it's not a get rich quick. Please, if you know you want to get rich quick, this project is not for you. Shiba Inu is not for you. bnbtiger is not for you. You should put your money somewhere. So, and that's what I want to talk about today. And also, we know what's in line, what's coming. So don't get yourself stuck up with, of course, I'm looking at the big projects to invest in, which if I have the right amount of the capital, I will stock them right into it, which I've said before in my previous videos, like XRP, like XLM, like what's it called, XDC, like zebec. I will continue to accumulate, because this crypto, they are the germ. They are the big boys in town. if you understand what I'm saying. These are the financial crypto assets that are going to make you rich in a long, within a kind of time frame to come in the future. So I'm quite bullish on Shiba Inu, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm hoping we're going to get this project. I mean, these four will not pass what Shiba Inu, the project that the developers have been putting in place, that the team behind this have been working around the clock to bring to fruition. They're going to make sure that this project reach its full aim. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you watched to this point and you've not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Follow me for more, and let me know what you're watching from. Leave a question, comment, anything behind in the comment area. And thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.